Curtis Instruments is a world-leading designer and manufacturer of programmable instrumentation and advanced control systems for electric vehicles of all types. Curtis designs and manufactures all products in-house and does not outsource manufacturing. We manufacture in Puerto Rico, Bulgaria, and China to meet local and international demand. At Curtis, we control the process from beginning to end by focusing on quality in every step, from design engineering to manufacture and application. One of the Curtis operational principles, the tenets by which the company operates day to day, states, "We strive to design and manufacture only one level of quality, the highest." While we tell you the story about Curtis worldwide manufacturing, let us show you the example of our factory in Puerto Rico, where we instituted automated production lines from the circuit board assembly process to the final mechanical assembly of motor speed controllers. In Puerto Rico and all other Curtis manufacturing sites, we employ the latest manufacturing methods. Here we will show you the fully robotic production process for the Curtis AC F2A controllers. Curtis makes a constant effort to reduce process variability in order to assure the highest level of product quality. To avoid contamination, we reduce and, when possible, eliminate manual handling in our manufacturing, especially of printed circuit boards and electronic components. Printed circuit boards are conveyored from start to finish to eliminate manual handling and to tighten the process flow. Variability is virtually eliminated. Rigorous testing and inspection are also hands-free and fully automated, resulting in error-free production. As a lean manufacturer, we design our products from the initial concept in a team-based environment to ensure our products can be consistently manufactured to the highest quality level. This includes 3 design elements: the product, the test equipment for that product, and the process by which it will be manufactured. Curtis has a multi-layer approach to manufacturing quality. In addition to standard automated and human inspection and test methodologies, Curtis uses the following processes. We have auto-calibration methods to make process adjustments in real time by automatically detecting process drift and by communicating key parameters to other equipment earlier in the line. Yield information is collected as part of our normal process, not only for short-term management information, but also for use in analytics to detect and flag variability over extended periods of time. Our very low rate of field returns enables Curtis to carry out a complete teardown of each product returned for root cause analysis and corrective or preventive action. Curtis Puerto Rico stores all electronic components in a 24/7 temperature and humidity controlled environment until used. Our manufacturing advancement is a source of pride for all of Curtis and a great benefit to Curtis customers worldwide. These actions extend to all Curtis manufacturing plants in America, Europe, and Asia, as the company strives to meet or exceed automotive quality and as we strive to achieve zero-defect manufacture. As Curtis Manufacturing continues to advance, we are proud of our culture of continuous improvement as an institutionalized commitment to produce products of the highest integrity. That's the Curtis difference. You feel it when you drive it.